Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a day that was all over the place, nice gap up, and then the gap up just turned out to be a gap and trap. And, for those of you that are maybe not familiar with the terminology, price closed right there on Thursday, opened up right there on Friday, hence the gap up. But then afterwards, just the price you can see right there rolled right back over. So that's what is known as a gap and trap. So yes, a bearish day, but within the big picture of things, everything is still perfectly fine. So what do I mean by being perfectly fine? Well, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched past videos. But if you have, then you know that I put in this green line down here. There we go. Now you can have full perspective. But this level down here is the overall uptrending trend line. And as I've said in past videos, as much drama as there can be, as long as the price stays above that level, then the overall trend is still bullish. So yeah, there was some drama with the gap and trap, but did you notice where the price and the gap and trap actually stopped? Look at that, right at the green line there. I mean, truly a thing of beauty when you consider charts. Now, I'm not trying to say that charts are like the perfect tool. Nothing's perfect. Nothing, is a holy grail, but they're definitely a tool that I would argue all people involved in the financial market should have in their tool belt. And there's a good example of that. But just from the overall analysis standpoint, yeah, as much as the gap and trap was probably annoying, the price is still very much so in the uptrend. And assuming you do care about the bigger picture point of view, that's what matters most. So very straightforward there. Going into next week, continue to watch that trend line as support. In terms of areas of resistance, nothing new here to report. Still that key level up around 1950. I would agree that the level got weakened up today because the price was able to get up above it. But because the price didn't close up above it, even if it's a weakened level of resistance, it is still a level of resistance nonetheless. So you're going to want to continue to watch that level moving forward. But those are going to be the two primary technical levels next week. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.